The search for the best investment car is over. Hey guys, so if you're like me, you've been on the hunt for the perfect investment car that won't let you down in the long run. And let me tell you, the search can be overwhelming with so many options out there. But after a lot of consideration, I finally found the one. The Toyota Prius. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, really? A Prius? But hear me out. This car has everything you could ever want in a vehicle. And the best part? I actually drive one, so I can vouch for this awesomeness firsthand. So, what makes the Prius such a fantastic investment car? Well, for starters, it's a hybrid, which means it uses both gasoline and electricity for maximum efficiency. And if you're feeling adventurous, there are even modifications that allow you to run on natural gas. That's a lifesaver during these tough times when gas prices are skyrocketing. But the Prius doesn't just save you money on the pump. It's also packed with advanced technology like touchscreen, infotainment system, top-notch safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and rear-view camera, plus a whole suite of driver assistance systems to keep you in control on the road. Even the older versions of this car are extremely safe. And let's talk about reliability. Toyota is known for building dependable vehicles, and the Prius is no exception. It's been around for over 20 years and has proven to be one of the most reliable cars in its class. With a long-lasting durability and low maintenance cost, the Prius is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a car they can count on for years to come. But don't just take my word for it. I put over 4,000 kilometers on my Prius and the engine still runs like a dream. The only issues I've had was a broken exhaust due to a wet ground it was parked on. That's it. That's the only problem. So, there you have it, folks. The Toyota Prius is the best investment car you'll ever make. Trust me on this one.